So, happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. Hopefully none of you guys are mothers. It is May 11th, and not just Mother's Day, but also Spencer's birthday. So happy birthday to you, Spencer. This is my second time recording this video, because my first video got messed up. Had a really cool cameo from my roommates. They're dancing, being stupid. But yeah, sorry I haven't updated for a while. It's been a while, I know. But I am reading your posts. And Jessica, your boys, like always. Mary, we're going to see you soon. You're coming back. And Kayla, your birthday shoutouts are very fun. Not that it's to me, but it's fun. And yeah, today was Mother's Day. I barbecued it up. Hello barbecue. Family, friends, food. What more can you want? And then my mother, I love her, like a lot. Yeah. And it also comes to my attention that all of my videos, my eyes are super small. And I believe that because the camera's at a lower angle, I look down, so my eyes look like they're closed. But hopefully this video, my eyes are bigger. I can't really look at the screen because that's from a higher position. But yeah. And also I wore this head wrap today, or not for the whole day, for my drive home and such as. And I was pumping gas, right? And it was really windy. And so the wind's blowing, and all of a sudden I see this thing on the side of my head, and I think it's someone about to mug me. I was like in San Leandro. Of course people would mug me, right? Right. And yeah, a lot of things going on. I'm going to be hopefully super busy. Finals, school's going to end super soon. Once school ends, there's weddings, or there's a Montrose party. There's graduation, there's rafting with my family, friends, and Tori. And, Las Vegas. Can't forget about Vegas. David's birthday, Chris's birthday, today's Spencer's birthday, there's Val's birthday. So many things going on. And I have to move out by the end of June. We're gonna probably gonna throw some parties. Y'all invited. We want 3 warnings. Just kidding, we don't really want any of the warnings. But we're gonna throw 3 parties, hopefully. And we're allowed to get 3 warnings, so it's okay, right? Right, exactly. But yeah. Yeah, I hope you guys had a great Mother's Day. Spencer, I hope you had a great birthday. And yeah, tell me about your day. I'd love to know. Happy Mother's Day.